What is home? It's so much more than a roof over your head. Home is that feeling you get turning the corner and your house comes into view. A backyard filled with magical fireflies. Where a staycation is a vacation. Home is where friends and family are always welcome. Home is holidays and tradition. And your favorite place to work. It's the smell of morning coffee. And a place to cuddle watching old movies by the fire. It's where you measure time in inches and sweet dreams. Quiet alone time. And a place to gather for fun and games. Home has never been more meaningful. I'm Sue Ann Sylvester with Coldwell Banker. Call me to make this house your home.